tell a story about a man in the garden at night. He was sweating blood, gonna pay the price. They strung him up on a criminal's hill. They thought he'd died, but it's death he'd kill. Oh, 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 I feel a mighty wind that's loosened now, gonna rock your walls, gonna knock you down and blow you through to the end of the line, blow you through to the end of the night, blow you through to where your hearts can rest in the truth. Blow right through your idol's eyes, blow right through your treasure of lies, blow you through to where your hearts are shot by the truth.